Money management remains an essential skill for achieving financial success and stability. Unfortunately, a significant disparity exists between the rich and the rest. This video aims to reveal hidden money rules that the wealthy use to maintain and grow wealth, helping you apply them to your financial life. The 9 rules are: pay yourself first. A fundamental principle in personal finance, paying yourself first involves allocating a portion of your income towards savings and investments before spending on other expenses. This approach ensures steady financial growth and stability. The rich prioritize their financial goals, automatically saving and investing a predetermined percentage of their income. To apply this rule, determine a percentage of your income to save and set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. This practice allows you to build wealth consistently and effortlessly. Build multiple income streams. Diversifying income sources minimizes risk and generates passive income, contributing to long-term financial security. The rich often have various income streams, including investment income from stocks, bonds, and real estate, business income from entrepreneurship or side hustles, and royalties or licensing income. Creating multiple income streams requires identifying your skills and passions and developing a business plan or investment strategy. You can achieve tremendous financial success and independence by leveraging your strengths and interests. Use debt wisely. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt is crucial for effective money management. Good debt refers to investments with potential growth or income, while bad debt typically involves high-interest consumer debt. The rich strategically utilize debt by leveraging it to invest in assets and taking advantage of tax benefits, such as interest deductions and credit. Manage debt in your financial life by prioritizing repayment and being cautious when taking on new debt. Focus on eliminating high-interest debt first and avoid accumulating unnecessary liabilities. Minimize taxes legally. Taxes have a significant impact on wealth accumulation. It is essential to distinguish between tax avoidance, illegal practice, and tax evasion, an illegal act. Tax planning plays a crucial role in maximizing wealth. The rich employ various tax minimization strategies, such as using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401ks, and HAs employing capital gains tax strategies, and engaging in charitable giving to benefit from deductions. Consult with a tax professional to understand your situation's best tax minimization strategies. Stay informed about tax laws and regulations to take advantage of all available opportunities to reduce tax liability. Continuously invest in yourself. Self-improvement plays a vital role in achieving financial success. Enhancing your knowledge and skills allows you to stay relevant and competitive in the job market. The rich invest in themselves through formal education, professional certifications, reading, attending seminars, and networking. Identify areas for growth and set goals for personal development. Allocate time and resources for learning, ensuring you continue growing and evolving throughout your career. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Your social circle significantly influences your financial mindset. Networking and mentorship offer potent benefits, allowing you to learn from the successes and failures of others. The rich build their networks by joining professional organizations, attending industry events, and participating in mastermind groups and mentorship programs. Build a supportive financial network by attending industry conferences, workshops, and networking events. Join online forums and social media groups related to finance and investing, and connect with successful individuals in your field or area of interest. Think long-term. Long-term financial planning offers numerous benefits, including compounding interest and investment returns, financial security, and peace of mind. The rich create detailed financial plans and regularly review and adjust them to stay on track. Develop a long-term financial plan by setting specific financial goals and timeframes. Consider consulting with a financial planner or advisor to help create a comprehensive plan tailored to your needs and objectives. Maintain a healthy balance between risk and reward. Understanding the relationship between risk and reward in investments is crucial. Higher potential returns often come with higher risks, and balancing risk tolerance with financial goals is critical. The rich manage risk in their investment portfolios through diversification across asset classes and industries, regularly reviewing and adjusting their portfolios. To balance risk and reward in your investments, assess risk tolerance and diversify your investment portfolio. This approach helps you navigate market fluctuations and achieve long-term financial success. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Professional financial guidance can be invaluable, providing expertise in navigating complex financial topics and offering objectivity in decision-making. The rich build teams of trusted financial advisors and consult with them regularly to make informed decisions. Find and work with financial professionals by researching and interviewing potential advisors. Understand their fee structures and the services they provide to ensure you receive the support and guidance you need. In conclusion, understanding and applying these money rules can significantly impact your financial success. By paying yourself first, building multiple income streams, using debt wisely, minimizing taxes legally, continuously investing in yourself, surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, thinking long-term, maintaining a balance between risk and reward, and seeking professional advice, you can achieve the financial success that the rich enjoy. Remember, the pursuit of financial success requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay informed and embrace new strategies to secure your financial future and achieve your desired wealth and stability.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content in the future.